Welcome to Electrify Cooking, where we spotlight innovation in the electric cooking sector. In our 5th episode, we explore the launch of the Electrify Cooking platform as an innovation in itself within the e-cooking sector. Let's see how that went down. In this episode, we turn the spotlight inward to Electrify Cooking itself, a web series created to showcase the innovations shaping the e-cooking sector across Africa. This time, the innovation is this very platform you're on, built to connect, inspire, and spark new conversations around clean cooking.
So today we were here at the launch of Electrify Cooking. We brought together the Electric Cooking Community of Practice, which is a community of innovators who are driving forward the electric cooking sector here in Kenya. And we shared with them this new platform, this web series around the innovation happening here in Kenya.
This series focuses on electric cooking, innovation and how development in the electricity sector are enabling transition away from polluting waste like charcoal and firewood.
So this launch was important because it enabled us to kickstart the new series. We've been working on this for almost a year now, behind the scenes, tweaking things, thinking through the branding, the messaging, the stories, filming, editing, tweaking, uploading, and today was the moment that we could reveal it to the world and show people the fruits of our labor and hear what they thought of it.
A lot has been said today about Electrify Cooking, the Kenya National Electric Cooking Transition Strategy.
My name is Lynn Werimongatia. I'm the Communication and Membership Officer at CCAK, that is the Clean Cooking Association of Kenya. My biggest insight about electric cooking is that it is actually not expensive. People have this mindset that electric cooking is very expensive, of which, yes, upfront it is expensive, but you get to save a lot along the way. It matters health, it matters money, it matters time, and come on, I feel like you should not even bargain about your health. But health should come first.
My name is Adrian Minor, and I'm the co-founder and COO of Young Green Ventures Limited. We manufacture electric pressure cookers for institutions only. One of the major pillars that is being focused on is on institutional cooking, which is one of the major contributors of carbon emissions here in Kenya. And unfortunately, schools are one of the biggest promoters of use of firewood to release carbon emissions. So our focus on institutional EPCs ideally helps us to create market awareness and market activation for this adoption of these cookers.
We had key updates, discussed strategy, and collaborated on shaping the future. It's clear we're the ones shaping what's next. Big thanks to everyone who contributed the ideas.
Benefits that come with electrification that can be applied in clean cooking. We still find that most Kenyans prefer fuel stacking.
Yeah, so from the community of practice, we got a wide variety of feedback. We had a really engaging Slido session with Abel, the producer, asking people all sorts of things from, is the length right? Is the messaging right? What would you like to hear more of?
The visual presentation and quality is at 20%.
And we got some really exciting responses from people. People told us that they want to hear more about their fellow innovators, they want to hear more of the stories, they want to hear more about the users in particular. I think we really wanted to focus this on the innovators and the innovations, but what really resonated with people was what's the impact that these innovations have on the everyday cook and their experience.
I think this series is very eye-opening in the sense that it will create awareness in terms of electrical cooking, not only for households, but also for institutions, which is one of our key things that we're looking at as manufacturers for institutional electric pressure cookers.
It's a great series for innovators to actually be able to come and showcase their innovations to the public, and also to actually get the community to understand what exactly they do and how exactly this innovation will get to help them in their lives and in their livelihoods. I'm one of the producers, and for me, I guess the best episode is one that actually voice overed. That's the Ekobora episode. You should all get to watch it. Yeah.
The web series being on social media platforms, none other than what I was used to, WhatsApp, being able to follow the web series on LinkedIn and YouTube is really cool and something I encourage everyone to follow and subscribe. My message to the producers, don't forget TikTok. TikTok is also as important as YouTube and LinkedIn.
The future of Electrify Cooking is bright, as we've seen today. The community of innovators showed a strong interest in the first batch of content that we produced. We've got some great ideas for new innovations to shoot and new directions to take the filming in. So I'm excited to go and explore some of these new leads and to grow these platforms from the seed that we planted today to see a big tree grow from that.
Electrify Cooking!
We created Electrify Cooking not for ourselves but for the sector, a platform shaped by collective input. The electric cooking innovations and stories we highlight are guided by idea harvesting sessions and understanding the shared priorities of stakeholders.
So far, a great journey. I've learned a lot. Coming into this sector, I did not know much about electric cooking, but now I can say it's been a great journey full of lessons. The future is electric. Everybody should actually go electric. All homes should go electric, and trust you me, you will not regret it.
To have more events such as this, but also having the stakeholders at hand that we're trying to advocate to employ and adopt these alternatives. So that's school heads, board of management for schools, even some household participants to be present in these forums and any other event.
Looking back, insight on e-cooking is that it's not as expensive as people traditionally think. Compared to LPG, electric cooking is not as expensive as traditional thinking poses it to be.
Key takeaway from the event today, for me, the community of innovators itself is vibrant and is engaged. Today, I think we were worried how many people would show up. We thought at one point maybe we'll have only 30 people. We had a breakfast set out for 30. That disappeared in about 5 minutes. We had 100 people here. The room had to be expanded, doubled in size, just so we could accommodate everyone that came. So for me, the key takeaway is that there's a lot of excitement here. It's a really pivotal moment for Kenya's electric cooking sector, and the community of practice and Electrify Cooking is right at the center of driving that change.
Thanks for joining us on this episode of Electrify Cooking. We introduced the platform, explored idea harvesting on what the sector envisions, and highlighted stories shaping the future of e-cooking. If you're passionate about electric cooking innovations, make sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting content. See you next time as we continue to explore the future of electric cooking across Kenya and Africa.